example I always make, my mom passed 2 years now.
Okay.
But I knew ukuthi mama uyahamba 5 years before ahamba.
Yo.
I knew ukuthi isikhathi sakhe siphelile. And most of the time ngangihamba ngiphahle ngicele. Ngithi hayi no, hayi manje. Basho. But when the day came yokuthi ke manje wakusanonyaka futhi, there was a time I would cry. Ngihlele endlini ngikhale umama uyaphila umama ukhona right. But ngangikhala mina ngikhalele ukuthi uyahamba. Ngihlele endlini. That went for years, such that the day umehamba, out of all bantwana basekhaya, I was no longer crying. Asibingelele siyajabula ukuthi sibe nawe Khehla lami. Thank you for having me. Kuyithuba engalithathela pass nakancane. For taking your time ukuthi ngibe khona la ekhaya, the podcast club. Umavuso ke inxele mfana wabhekisa inkabhe ukweni sicinga sikhuluma sinamlomo bathe unendaba namzukwane enganayo. Umgoqo ovalela inkomo zamadoda eHolland ibhunela izimiseme ephula. Wagijima umkhwazi ohlaba umkhosi kumkhonyana zange ayiqede indaba yazophemlo mavusini kwaNkunzana. Ngokusho njalo sesikhona ke singomavuso. Sithi nje asibingelele ngendlela efanele sikwazi ukusukumisa la madoda esihamba nawo.
Nabantu okhamba nawo.
Nawo nabantu bahamba nawo nje. Everyone does.
Everyone does. I mean abingazi ukuthi nginabantu engikhamba nawo.
No, umuntu nengilosi, umuntu is a spirit. So uma ngabe umuntu uyi spirit, the first into umuntu is not the appearance that you see, but umuntu imimoya ahamba nayo is the aroma and the grace asuka ayiphethe. Leyo nto leyo iphatha ithonga, leyo nto leyo iphatha ingilosi ezimgadile.
Yeah. So wena uyisangoma uri umthandazeli?
Me, I usually say I'm a jack of all trades. Ngibenzela umngoma, but umngoma akusiyinto engiyithandayo. Simply because the first person noma umoya wokuqala owafike wahlala kimi and was revealed kwakumoya wokuthandaza, umoya wesithunywa. Hence the title a prophet, yabo. But however, ngoba nginabo ubugedla, nginabo ubunyanga from my father's side. Okuyibo obahamba bagcina bungifikisa ke esigabeni sobungoma, of which njoba ngichaza ukuthi ngibenzile, but it's not something umngoma kufuneka ubulandele kakhulu kodwa ke izangoma zizongishaya mangisho njalo. But it's a good gift, but it needs to be handled with care, I think. But I believe with just any other gift out there, because ungagcina u-entertainer imimoya noma izinto that could take you for a ride zihlukumeza kakhulu impilo uma ungakhona ukuyiqondisisa. And it's a problem esinayo mhlawumbe singene kuyo singayishalazelele ukuthi not everyone who has a gift automatically une gift yokwelapha noma une gift yobungoma. And this is why some of us, it took us very long to accept Isphiwo Sethu, because it was always talked about in the line and in the direction yobungoma. Or else that's not what we were called for, abanye bethu. But unfortunately, we discover these things noma ukwazi ngesiphiwo sakho uma uye kuphi kumelaphi wendabuko. And most of them, because izangoma zigcwele, automatically people will want to drive you into who they are and into their path. So sometimes it's an error ekhona in this area of spirituality. Ekufuneka siyigade kakhulu, and I believe I've had a number of people nabafika kimi ukuthi no prophet ukuthiwa ngesiphiwo mina ayangiyiboni lento yokugqoka umnyeko, lento yokumemeza ngithi wonke ukugida akusiyami ngithi mina, but that's not what we mean uma sikhuluma ngesiphiwo. Isiphiwo varies, yabo. So it's a misconception esifune siyicorrect la There's nothing wrong ngobungoma. Isiphiwo vele nasesiphilayo that exists, which is ancient, esikhona, that is recognized among the gifts, but it is an error that must be corrected uma sizothi everyone is channeled into that particular gift. Masikhuluma ngesiphiwo, sikhuluma ngomngoma kuphela, cha. And we have seen it messing up iy'phiwo zabanye abantu who are called in the prophetic, who are called ebugedleni, who are called esithunyweni, yabo. Masikhuluma the prophetic noma prophets, sikhuluma ngento ezithunywa. It's just a choice of words. Sometimes again, we need to be careful kedlalami ukuthi we don't just play around with words and we call it wisdom. Because and we so, because sometimes umunye umuntu uzothi prophet asinaye thina sisintwini.
Okay, ngifuna ke sithome nithi la. Indaba yesithunywa. Kuyini isithunywa? Sikuthuma kuphi isikhathi sonke nje?
Anyone can be isithunywa. Remember, isithunywa is what we call in the English language is a verb. It's a meaning it's a doing word. Mangithi ngilethelena iglass ye drink lapha ngiyakuthuma. Noma hamba kubani ufika umnikeza message ethile. Uyisithunywa at that particular point in time. Because you carry a message that must be passed.
Okay.
Yabo? So, however, in the world of spirituality, akekho umuntu who has a gift ongasisona onganasi isithunywa. Because already by the reason of you having something to share, by reason of you having something to give into your world, even now, Joba, you own the Postcast Club, which is main aim to provide and to educate and to enlighten people in a way. If that thing is a calling, it's deeply embedded in you, ukuthi kuyinto uNkulunkulu akubizele yona. It means you are called into that area. It means you have a message in that area, because even the way you will do it is going to be different. Sizohlala on a nice couch like this, yabo. Sihlale with a nice attire that you've got, because that's how you present your message. So that's how uthunywe ngayo enindlela to the other people, to the people out there. So let's not complicate it. It's a different case now. Ukuthi what type of spirit noma yimuphi umoya lozohambisa ngayo imessage wena. Omunye uzoyihambisa ngendlela yobunyanga, omunye ngendlela yomngoma, omunye ngendlela yesonto, omunye omunye through leadership, through being a politician, because uthola ukuthi ke lo muntu unobuhlakani bokuleader abantu ngendlela ethile. So he's given a message to his people, like Nelson Mandela. He came as a gift. He came as enesithunywa ethunywe kuphi kubantu bakube Africa, ukuthi so that he can liberate them. But that has nothing to do with ukwelapha.
Yes, because like esikhathini esiningi navane umuntu abakhuluma like abantu nabalaleleko, there is this sign evela ukuthi umuntu makane isithunywa already so cabanga ukuthi ifanele okuprofita abantu and all of that,
which is wrong. Which is wrong, because isithunywa can be sort of can be even to your family. I always say to people, the gift must work in your family first. You can't say you have a gift, especially yokusiza the third person, whereas the gift, especially lena yongokomoya, has not solved issues and problems and has not revealed my issues and problems as now like I. Otherwise, how is it going to solve for the next person? So bakhona abantu abakubizwele kuphi emndenini yabo ukuthi sibona ukuthi kuze uSamuel Mavuso manje at this particular time, and uzalwa being the last born like I am, to sort of with a vision, whether to reconcile the family or ukubuyisela usiko olthile noma ubukhosi obuthile kuleso sibongo. So that because as we grow siphatha izinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene, and we find ukuthi sometimes ezinye zezinto that we come across can lead us to go astray from our original roots. So that is why uNkulunkulu nethongo, they would always be in every generation raise a particular individual ozokwazi ukuthi ababuyisele back to their roots and who they are, and remind them ukuthi kahle kahle singobani la ekhaya, what are the things that have gone wrong here, And what gift, that's why anikezwe isiphiwo esithile, uthola ukuthi uyaboniswa lowo mntwana, uthola ukuthi lowo mntwana ayikho into eyenzekala ekhaya angayiboni. Unamandla okukhuleka, unamandla okuthandaza, because he's coming as a solution to that family, and then it's an extension to the next generation.
Asikhulume ngawe ke now. What kind of a gift are you blessed with?
I mean, I'm blessed with the prophetic. I'm blessed ngobunyanga ngigedla. It's an argument for another day, because banye bathi angeke ube igedla ube uphinde ube umuntu wesithunywa lokho angihambelani. Yes, it's two different gifts that are in a different platform, anendlela zakhona ezahlukene. But ngobuhlakani and through wisdom uyakhona ukuhlanganisa lezo iphiwo zikwazi ukuphilelana, zikwazi ukuthi zibe effective in their own area.
Okay, so kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi wena usebenza ngamanzi in most cases?
No. Ngisebenza ngayo yonke into. For me, yonke into umuthi, noma unginika nayo iFanta, noma unginika nayo iCoke, I can use it. So I'm not limited into kuya ngaleso sikhathi. And I remember lento yokusebenza, it does not actually, yes, although most of the time it rests on you as an individual, ukuthi how your knowledge goes. Kodwa kufanele ngubuke even lo muntu engimsizayo ukuthi yena uphiwe noma ikuphi okulula kuye ukwazi ukumsiza. That is why I often say to people, awukho umuntu powerful, because omunye umuntu angahamba sihlanganisa umuthi o50 and then we ukwazi ukusebenza, komunye sihlanganisa umuthi oyi1 and uthola ukuthi usebenza more than low 50. Omunye sithatha amanzi, thola amanzi, they are more effective than le mithi esihlanganisile ngemali enkulu, yabo. So it's always the case of, it's always between two things. What is the situation at hand, nalokuthi lowo muntu omsizayo imoya yakhe, ingilosi zakhe zime kanjani, because akekho umuntu ongakhona ukumsiza outside ubudlozi bakhe and outside of his calling.
Okay, so right now ma profit like you profit like anywhere, you can even do online.
Yeah. That's easy. That's what we do. Even though I don't like doing that, I used to do it. Actually, nginabantu whom I've met, maybe, but ngangisasemncane then, but 10 years back, when I was still growing, ngisabhorekile, ngangivele ngene ku-Facebook ngithi send me a voice note on this WhatsApp number. And by just hearing your voice, ukuthi hey Samuel Mavuso, then I prophesy.
By hearing my voice, what are you prophesying?
Right now.
That let's talk about water spirits.
Yeah.
It's I feel like it's something there is a lot of misconception in between, and we don't know much about those kind of spirits.
The water spirits.
The water spirits.
No, anytime, any day. Because that's my area. Like I told you, I'm a prophet. So, but nginomdawo kakhulu, which was one of the errors that happened in my early journey. Because the reason why ngagcina ngithwasa is because it was a simple thing. Ngangithe mina kulo muntu akangilungisela inzuzo yami, angilungisela umdawo phela. Wathi yena I can't, kufuneke uma uzolungisa lezo zinto lezo uzothwasa. Okay, mina I like challenges, angangabi nankinga. Ukuthwasa kwami mina was only 28 days.
28 days.
Yes.
And then uthwasile.
No, but relax. Because mina mangiyothwasa ngase ngisebenza.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi the first thing yafika kuqala kimi isithunywa. That's why ngihlola ngekhanda. I was a prophet, I was leading a church, yabo. So ngase ngibasiza abantu already, but I always had a challenge kuphi on kumdawe, which is a water spirit, nenzunza, which is also a water spirit. But however, uma sikhuluma ngomdawe, inzunza is often also included, inkosazana often included, which becomes an umbrella word. Umdawo becomes an umbrella word for all these other marine spirits, noma water spirits. So what now happens is that uma umuntu ekutshela ukuthi unesiphiwo sasemanzini, unesithunywa samanzi noma unomoya wasemanzini, lo muntu usuke engakakhulumi noma usuke engakasho ukuthi uthini, because he must differentiate to you. Ukuthi ke mase sikudifferentiatela, it takes time, and sometimes ezinye zezinto they are not meant for ugobela.
Oh, I heard that number of times. Yes. Yeah.
Kunezinto that when we introduce you, we just open the room, or we open the door, which is the main door to the house. But the house has many rooms inside. Yabo. So that's why masikhuluma ngomndawo sithi sikulungisela umndawo. We simply just opening a door to a house which has many rooms. So what does that mean? Inside that mndawo could be inzunza, which needs nayo ehlukayo, which wear different garments, efuna nayo ukulungiselwa ngezindlela ezahlukahlukene. So it's not one size fits all. Yabo. Kukhona umuntu who is a master, noma esithi uyakwazi ukulungisa imoya yasemanzini, particularly umndawo. Kodwa uthola ukuthi kunomoya ngalendlela, or the method asuke eyenza, it will not agree noma angeke izivume komunye umuntu, simply because lowo muntu is occupying a different room within the spirit somndawo noma sasemanzini. So now this becomes a challenge ukulungisa lento yomndawo, because you need now to listen. It's not it is custom, it is niche based, or it is very unique according to the individual. So you can't say ukuthi because I have 10 yamatwasa alungisela umndawo, they're gonna eat the same gobong, they're gonna go to the same river, they're gonna go the same procedure. 2 or 3 out of those will not work, because uzothola ukuthi omunye kunento enye efuneke aqala adlule kuwe. But here's another important point. Kubalulekile ukuthi these spirits are often the last spirit in the hierarchy. Okusho ukuthi kunezinye zezinto ekufuneke zibe in place uma usoqala, for example ukhuluma ngenkosazana noma ngenzunza. Angeke sikuthathe nje uhlaza nje uraw bese sithi woza sokulungisela inzunza noma inkosazana, because sometimes which is most of the time kunezinto that are challenges, that are impediments noma ezifike zibe inkinga ekufuneka siqale sisuse kuwe, whether these things are foundational, which could include ubuthakathi, whether these things ukugeza kwedlozi, whether these things ukuthulisa into ewumbanga kulamadlozi, whether these things, you see, I'm just highlighting, we need to make sure that all these things are in place first before sithi siyokulungisela ini umoya wenzunza noma umoya womndawo. Because if we don't do that, you will always have something ezofike iphazamise loya moya. And then uthola ukuthi siyakwenza le process, but the process ayisahambi kahle. Yabo? But let me not channel you, because angunike ithuba lokuthi ubuze.
Yazi ngifuna istage kwingi sakho man, ngifuna ukuzwa kuhle ukuthi now usuka la uya le ikwazi ukuhlala kuhle yabona, because the moment ngilongi interrupt angeke ngisakwazi ukuthi i-destination yakho izokufika kuphi.
Yeah. Remember mina ngiyakhuluma nje, I'm just saying even my experience and nama challenges akhona kule mimoya, because we have people abathi banezinzunza, and what I've seen most of the time is that lowo muntu ufike abe nenkinga yokuthi kuba nezinye zezinto ekufuneka ziqale zilungiswe kuye before ehlanjululwa noma ephakamiselwa lowo moya. And most of the time leyo nto leyo ayidingi ugobela as such. Ugobela is simply a mentor. Remember in this whole concept of gifts, we are not creating dependency. We are creating, we want you to be functional and we want you to be confident in your gift. So what does this mean? It means whenever we sense izinto and ever where you are growing into the spirituality, always make sure ukuthi you are the one leading, you are the one ahead more than ugobela. Because that will simply say ukuthi even your dreams are communicating. It will simply say lo moya loyo osukulungisa ukhona uhamba nawe. You know, don't just take a shot in the dark when there is izinto because mina ngisho njalo and because your mentor is saying so. Because what happens now when you get home, you won't always have the privilege of your mentor. So mina kuze ngibe I'm not comfortable with someone telling me ukuthi nginomndawo or nginenzunza which but lenzunza ayikazivele kimi. Okay, before ungilungisela lento othi nginayo.
Wait. Inzunza akazivele kuna ivela kuyivela ibe inzunza vele or ivela ingumlungu oyifish.
Both of those can happen, even more. Even some of the things like we cannot describe as issue. So what it means is that ivela ngendlela ezahlukene to different people. And that's why I was telling you it is important ukuthi ke ivele kuwe in the way, in the manner ezovela ngayo, iphinde ibe that message. So what am I simply doing? I'm simply just connecting and plugging you in kulowo moya loyo. And then lowo moya loyo ukuze ukwazi wena ukuthi uzenzele kuwe and take over the reins yokuthi ke manje ndoda sifuna wenze so. Mina by simply listening to the communication eqhamuka kuwe, and then I'll be able to tell ukuthi oh so kule stage lesi. Yes, it's not all the time that dreams and visions are explicit and clear.
Yeah.
So that is why I also have means and ways zokuhlola. Yabo.
Okay.
Because mangisesigodlweni angihlola ngomoya kuphela, ngihlola nangethambo, ngihlola nangezinye izinto. That
But which one is powerful out of all of them?
none is powerful.
None is powerful.
It's like
Gauge.
it's like saying to you which one of your fingers is powerful. You can't choose.
I can't choose now.
Yes, because all your fingers anemsebenzi yayo eyahlukahlukene and they have got their own strengths and qualities according to the use at that particular time. So kuyenze ukuthi kunezinye zezinto that are far easy to discern and to dissect ngesithunyo. Thola ukuthi ke kunezinye izinto ke ithambo li is faster kuzo and it's more accurate kuzo. Kunezinye femba is more accurate kuzo, yabo. That is why we need to be careful of comparison and sometimes creating unnecessary competition among the different gifts and spirits that we have, because all these things are meant to be like members of one body that are completing the body. My hand is there, it has a role. My foot is there, my knee. Yes. And with all these things, that's what makes me complete.
So asibambe nanga lapha ne wena specialize ngani?
Mina ngispecialize ngomndawo inzunza, ngispecialize amadlozi, ukubuyisa ubudlozi lobuthwetshuliwe, uxosha imdliwa tilwane, ngizothi isiphakamiso lokunye ngiphelele lapho.
Isiphakamiso okukhona okunye okwenza lokuthi awukusho kuma
no yes isiningi kakhulu izinto esingeke sizisho because angifuni umntanami ukhumbule I live in a community and in a society. So podcast lawa alalelwa yiwo wonke umuntu. Umntanami uzogcina sebandlululeke esikolweni kuthiwe ubaba wakho wena wenza lokho, yabo. So kunezinto eziyimfihlo uma umuntu ekubuza ukuthi buyini ubunyanga, ufuna the first question or the first answer you give is that ubunyanga buyimfihlo. So once you understand that, that's why sikhuluma ngesigodlo. Uma sikhuluma ngesigodlo, the word isigodlo is also a doing word. Ukugodla meaning to hold close to your chest. Ukufihla into uma uyigodlile, you are protecting it. So uma ngisesigodlweni ngigodla imfihlo zabantu ngigodla amahlazo abo ngigodle amacala wabo ngigodle imfihlo zobunyanga
awumtshela unkosikazi wakho sometimes
yes kunezinto nje unkosikazi angazazi futhi angeke kumele azazi.
It sounds like it sounds like this thing issue umandoza la abafazi bafabazi. So Luena, you have
no it's not complicated or not, it's not even scary. It's like a doctor, medical doctor.
Yeah.
If medical doctors are sitting and talking khona inkulumo ezokugeja nje, you will hear every word but you will not understand everything.
Yeah.
So nakithi kufuna kube njalo. Unfortunately ke sesinawo ama podcast manje, but we must always be careful ukuthi masla mina what I want is that you must gain knowledge that will empower you, not knowledge that will scare you, not knowledge that will make you shy away from ezintweni zesinto. Yabo, sometimes again ozakwethu and others feel they are more powerful by revealing izinto eziscary.
Yeah.
Of which
and abantu bayazithanda. Let me tell you, abantu bayazithanda. We had one of the guests wakhuluma ukuthi how to kill a person using the spirituality, and people were like bamfuna left and right. I want the number. Yazi ngifuna ukubula lo baby mama wami uyangisokolisa akafuni nengane yami. So all those type of things, you hear them, that's why you realize what the people they like isn't just too sour. Yes.
Yeah, but you see, all of that is it's a hyper of that moment. Iqiniso lislow, iqiniso alishinji, but iqiniso lizokuphilisa.
Iqiniso lizokuphilisa.
And it will take you so what we're simply saying is that asibona abathakathi bendabuko, singabelaphi bendabuko.
Yeah.
So we must always differentiate that ukuthi what is the message then we are spreading out there.
Yeah.
People are in anger, abantu vele they are hurt bafuna ukwenza izinto ezibhlungu, but is are we healing the nation uma ngabe sizobavezela izinto ezinjalo? Not ukuthi lezi zinto akufuneki zenzeke, sometimes it's necessary ukuthi zenzeke, kodwa it must always be in a controlled environment, and it must always be to a select few. Kunezinto okungafuneki udakwe ngazo noma uzikhulume noma kanjani.
What is your knowledge ngithola ngama spirits, like marine spirits?
Yeah. No, kukhona lokho kuyenziwa kakhulu. Me, I always want to go to the side that is not talked about.
All right.
Because everyone claims ukuthi no, come through, sizokuvusela inkosazana, sizokuvusela umkanyamba, sikuthwalise ngayo warawara. But no one says ukuthi there is a selective individuals abangeke isithwalo sisebenze kubo.
I like that. Asikhulume ngalokho. Yeah.
There is people abanesithwalo sabo originally. Noma
Originally.
Yes.
Bazalwe nayo right?
Yes.
All right.
Noma abanento that functions as isithwalo,
Yeah.
but azange bahambe bayothwala noma bahambe baye kuphi.
Banjani labo kanti?
They fall under a certain category la masikhuluma ngomhlanhla bomuntu. Uma umhlanhla bomuntu buyahluka, that includes isiphiwo and the gift umuntu asuka nikwe sona. Yabo? So uma sikhuluma ngokuthi umuntu unento that functions noma cishe ifane nesithwa, kunabantu abanezinzunza abanomndawe, they're born nayo leyo nto leyo noma nawo lowo moya loyo. And uma bekhonile ukulungisa, yabo, that's another chapter on its own, because kukhona imoya elungiselwayo, kunemoya futhi othola ukuthi ayidingi ukulungiselwa. Yabo, enjani imoya elungiselwayo ukuze ikwazi ukuthi iphile noma ikwazi ukuthi ilethe umhlanhla kuwe. Yabo, kufana nomuntu ke osola ukuthi njani wazalwa wembethe.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe umuntu ezalwa nento ethile ekanjalo, oftentimes lowo muntu uzodinga ukwenzelwa ukuthi ulungiselwe lowo moya ukuze ukwazi kanjani ukufunctiona noma uphile yabona. But ikhona eminye imimoya that is there already aligned. Also that depends on the type noma ubudlozi basekhaya ukuthi umsamo wasekhaya ume kanjani. Also depends nasekuzaleni kwakho ukuthi awekho amacala abakhona that could hinder le mimoya ukuthi ikwazi ukuzikhulumela yabona. Kunabantu abakwazi ukufemba but they've never gone to ukuthi bayiphehlweni noma bayofundisa ukufemba noma ayishayela idlozi lakhe lomndawo cha. Kodwa lo muntu uyakwazi ukufemba.
I mean njengawe uthilo ukuthi uthwase for like 28 days now.
Yeah, because mina I was there to do something specific. Yabo. Ngangiyokwenza something I had no problem. Mina ngangihlola mangifika kuhlalwa kuphasi bachitha amathambo bayahlola angiboni lutho mina ethambo. But mangibuka umuntu ngiyahlola ngiyakhuluma lento engiyishoyo yile bayibona phasi because ngangisebenzisa isithunywa. Okay.
Sahlebela la endlebeni.
No, isithunywa sisebenza indlela ezihlukahlukene. But
sakho sona isenzani?
There's no formula. I use everything. I see, I hear, I sense, I feel, I smell.
You smell?
Yes.
Okay.
You can smell, you can walk into a room and smell death. But the question is how are you going to smell it? It is not physical. It is spiritual. Yes. Whenever you are in
when you got here you smelled what? Happiness.
You're teasing. It will derail me. But remember, there is a prophet whereby you are called in the office, and kuyenza ukuthi you are a prophet because unikezwe a message by that time. You do not prophesy at will. Okusho ukuthi uzobulele nje nomuntu uyayishayelela kufike leyo message. And that is the end of it. Mase ngibuza further ukuthi hey okay manje ngoba uthole message lena ke awuphinde uphela ungihlolele nogogo wami uyagula lapha ekhaya unani angeke usakhona because the message was specific and it was for that time. Yes. Okay. Kodwa there is someone ofunctiona njengami who is now called in the office noma o isithunywa sakhe sesiphakeme sisebenza ngaye. Lo muntu loyo you channel. I can choose when I want to prophesy. And I can choose to keep quiet. The spirit of a prophet is subject to the prophet. Yabo. So ngichanela kuphi, all I need to do, I need to know what must I do to focus so that I receive a message concerning le nto leyo suku ngibuzayo.
Oh, that's why right now ungafuna ukuya la.
Yes, because mangikhipha lapha mhlambe the ubonile mangicala my body started shaking because normally that's what happens when now I'm focusing. I know ukuthi sengingena kule platform le. And you might tell ukuthi lapha ngisahleki. Yabo.
So serious.
Yabo seyonakala ke le podcast.
Hey ngathi ngiyakubona so uhinqile la. Yeah.
So ngifana nomndawo, you know, one of the things I hated ngomndawo is because wami mawufika umndawo ngangikhala. Ngivele ngikhala
inyembezi.
Yes. Ngazi ngikhala.
And yes anginama tissue la.
So was one of the things that I hated and ngagcina even now ukufemba ngazange ngikukhonze kanjalo. Yabo, but all I'm saying is that the world is spiritual and yonke into oyenzayo is in the spirit. And and that is why we're preaching a message namhlanje ukuthi uma kuthiwa unemimoya you have a gift, you have what, always strive ukuthi lento iziveze kuwe. Ungagcina ngokuzwa ngabantu ngoba you'll have a problem. Yabo, uzogcina wenza izinto ngoba uyenziswa. Then mase kuphelile the process yokwenziswa, what is left? Wena awukwazi ucommunicate nalowo moya, awukwazi wena ukuxhumana nawo, awukwazi wena ukuthi ukusize in any area. So now that's a challenge esishoyo of which engihambe ngayibona kakhulu. So kuyenzeka. Here's another thing we must highlight. Yokuthi akusibona bonke ubudlozi lobu clean. Just like you have demons, you have the Holy Spirit.
Okay, but I guess before Sophia ku demon no Holy Spirit ngifuna ukuyizwa kuleyo death le. Mawufika lapho usmela the death, what do you do then? Uyathula uyamtshela lo ukuthi wena in 2 days uyakwanya uyagoqa or something. What do you do?
Yeah, that's when you need wisdom, because remember, some information is for you.
Yeah.
It's not for everyone. And sometimes kunezinto ofuna umuntu umtshele zona but not direct. Yabo. And sometimes kunezinto okufuneke uzazi wena to help you to prevent ukuthi wena ungangene engozini. Yabona. Kodwa akusho ukuthi imagine uma ngabe ngifike ngidlela la engangena la endlini then ngabona ukuthi mhlawumbe uthwele.
Yeah.
Then ngeke ngivele ngithi hey uthwele wena yabo, because it's not that information mhlawumbe ngeza kimi to know how to handle this person engidibane naye.
Yeah.
So I know ukuthi iziphi izinto ekufanele ngi-accept kulo muntu, iziphi izinto engafanele ngizi-accept. So sometimes ke abantu bayaphapha. When you appear before your time, you will disappear.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe usakhula ngokomoya, one thing we teach you is discipline. Hayi lento abantu bahlali babatshela yona, no mawuzwa idlozi likhuluma khuluma uzawungena enkingeni oba uzahamba ukhulume izinto kubantu laba badala nakuwe bese bekhambela phambili bese bayakuvala bese uthi hayi mina ngedlozi elikhulu lama livaleki alikho idlozi elingavaleki. So these are the teachings abantu ekufuneka sibanike wona ukuthi bakwazi how to handle this thing as spirituality. Yabo.
Hey, but I think like for me now, it could be the worst thing ever. I mean, like those are such a picky information. Ukuthi now so bona ifeature yomunye umuntu, and you could see ukuthi it's either ngiyatula angimsizi, it's either I intervene, and also both of them uyangena umlando awungeni umlando.
You know, one thing example I always make, my mom passed 2 years now.
Okay.
But I knew ukuthi mama uyahamba 5 years before ahamba.
Yo.
I knew ukuthi isikhathi sakhe siphelile. And most of the time ngangihamba ngiphahle ngicele ngithi hayi no, hayi manje. Basho. But when the day came yokuthi ke manje wakusanonyaka futhi, there was a time I would cry ngihlele endlini ngikhale umama uyaphila umama ukhona right, but ngangikhala mina ngikhalele ukuthi uyahamba. Ngihlele endlini. That went for years, such that the day umehamba, out of all bantwana basekhaya, I was no longer crying.
Okay.
So, but these are the realities of a spiritual person. And akusiyo into le ongahamba uyomtshela yona noma uhamba uyikhuluma uthi hey kanjani.
So wathula wena uyohamba.
Yes, you go to your corner. Kunezinto abakutshela zona bese uye ekhoneni lakho la uphahla khona noma la uthandaza khona and try to change. But kunezinto your heart mele ikwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusize kuyo, because kunezinto ofuna ukuzazi ukuthi lena noma ngakhala inyembezi noma ngaze ngikhala igazi angeke ishintshe injalo nje. You need to accept it.
Hayi ayasibonga lesiphiwo sakho. I think there's certain information is better like ungazi so kubona sekwenzeka, and then you just deal with the situation when you are in.
Kuyenzeka. Remember, being gifted is so funny, because ngathi ngihleli la and then I'm told ukuthi kunani kuleya suitcase, which is something irrelevant. Ngena apha ukuthi kunani lapha kuleya suitcase. Yabo. And then when you are worried ukuthi my girlfriend yazi lo mntwana ngisola ngathi uyangijithela, and baquiet abakhulumi ngalento wena ekushisayo, bavele bakhuluma ngento eqonde ebhekele eceleni. uvela umangala ukuthi ke manje ngizothini ke manje yabo. So those are some of the challenges zabantu who are gifted, and sometimes you need to be careful even how you handle the gift, because you know ezinye zezinto, like I told you, zisuke zivela ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
I remember my brother lost the car keys. So uma ngifonela ngithi mina hey usuhambile yini, uthi hey yazi ngilahlekelwe ikhiya angizitholi. He was just saying, and then I saw a vision. Athi mina go to under the seat of the car, there's a bag there, uzoyithola ikhiya lapha pass. Said eh wahamba wayithola. You see? But so now this guy, whenever there's a challenge, angayitholi, even uhlala isekunda adlala, he will call me. And by that time I don't see anything, and I'm saying Vienna, he believes ukuthi anytime anenkinga enjani I can see it. But he doesn't understand ukuthi that was revealed to me then. It was not because ngangithandazile namhlanje I must have special powers. Yabo. So dento zangomoya, those are the dynamics. Yes.
Just says you no angisifisi nakancane. Yeah. Okay. Yo, but like how you said you married, right?
Yeah.
But did you see what this is makundana wami lo vele nyofana engivuke naye?
No, there's no such a thing.
There's no such a thing.
uNkulunkulu angeke ayikho into ekuthiwa ngiyi-soulmate. Umuntu nomuntu, there's a condition, there's a choice, there's a will uNkulunkulu akunika yona. And remember, yes, people can have characters that are close, or can have izinto ezibenza ukuthi bajele in bakhona ukuzwana. But these people still need to be trained. More especially labo uthola ukuthi kunezinto zangokomoya ezibahlanganisayo. Because to stay married and to stay in love, it is not a miracle. It is a decision, it is a discipline, it is a choice that you still need to make. You are choosing this person. And that is why when push comes to shove, uthola ukuthi ke manje sekuthiwa lo muntu lo awukhona ukuhlalana naye, uyamthola nje omunye umuntu. Akusho ukuthi umuntu waba yijuba noma waba a tiger ukuthi you only have one person you will mate with empilweni yakho cha.
Angithi abantu nasizibuye emjolweni bathola this idea yokuthi anihlanganiswa ngabaphansi. That's why wena umbithi amakhehla or something. That's why wena ungakwazi ukubhekezelela indoda. That's why wena ugoloza kanje mabathi la akubuya ngo6 kilometers.
No, into enjalo ikhona
ne.
And that is why kusuke kukhulunywa even these people who abaphuphene, they saw dreams of each other ukuthi ayithina nawe sizalweni. Kodwa these are the very same people abahlala ngokulwa la. Because it is not enough ukuthi we complement each other spiritually. There are things ekufuneka zenzeke, and that must be put in place so that leyo nto leyo ikwazi ukuthi ilunge. Otherwise yibo futhi abafike badivorce kakhulu lapha.
Oh, okay. I thought ukuthi maybe uRomeo noJuliet vele if inhlanganise ngokomoya asoze nihlukane nje.
No. Those are cats and dogs, because and more especially uma uzothola ukuthi they have individual gifts that needs to complement each other, and uthola ukuthi bayasokola ukuthola umuntu loto bahlanganisela lezo. But remember, awukwazi futhi ukuhlanganisa into that has not matured on that noma has reached a certain level yabo of maturity. Ngoba ifika ihluphe lapho lento, if you are gifted, discover all about your gift. Mangumele uye emanzini, mangumele uyoparula umndawo, mangumele uyowenza ini, yenza lezi zinto. So that ube complete. Because what makes marriage work is a combination of two complete people. By complete, I mean this person imoya yakhe ihlanzekile, lo muntu amaqala ahamba nawo enzekile usuwafezile, and then these two people come together. But uma ngabe uzoza with your own skeletons, naloya eze nawakhe ama-skeletons and izinto that are not complete, ungeke uzuwazi ukwakhe lo marriage, because you must not complete me. I must be complete by myself. And then masihlangana together, we complement each other, and then siveze into ephelele eyi-one yokuthi ke these are two satisfied people in their own shoes. Yabo. Abangeke badinga omunye ukuthi hayi ubani he does not listen to me. No, he does not compliment me emotionally. A problem is most of those guys abafike babanjwe ileyo nkinga bona themselves they have a problem. They are dealing with emotional securities and they are going through a certain problem emotionally, which has nothing to do with their partner.
Yeah, no. Ngiyakuzwa manje.
So if you don't deal with these things, the spirituality ezakho ebhekene nawe uqala, and I wish sometimes we could have a catalog yokuthi, because you know in the spirit, in physics, opposite items they attract each other. But in the spirit, the same items they attract each other. Okushuthi abantu abagula ngokufanayo, abaneyinkinga ezifanayo, umlanjwana, ubangwa zidalwa, unemimoya, those people yibo laba ba-attractanayo babe together. Mabafika futhi lapho create a bomb, because they both have skeletons. Yabo? So kufuna ke manje uyibuke. I remember when I was reflecting kweyami impilo, all the unfortunately ngangasile type A data kakhulu, but all the people that I've had before my marriage, all of them, they are spiritual. They have a gift.
So you were attracting that type of an energy.
Yes. Because sometimes that's another thing. People attract patients. You're attracting people that you should be helping. But because of the closeness, you want to interpret it as love. But these are people that you should be sharing spiritual knowledge and spiritual, you should be growing each other spiritually, no more overseas spiritually.
Okay.
But the human mind will always interpret that association and closeness as if, no, there must be an emotional connection here, of which sometimes is not the case.
Idlozi lemanzini lenzeka ukuthi kube idlozi elifebayo, like elizokuthi lizokuphila kuwe, iselemanzini, but like
yes. Yes, remember besikhuluma just ukuthi sikhuluma lapha nalapha, but all we're saying is important. That's what I like. But remember we were saying kunamadlozi, not all wonke amadlozi mahle.
Yes, you did mention. Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
So that's when now we come to that phase yokuthi ke sikhuluma ngokugezeka nomhlanjululwa kwemimoya, because that's when we sisuke sigeza ezinye zezinto that could be interpreted noma zibukeke ziyizici ezibi, yabo, eyisuke ze-associated nalobo budlozi ekufike siyihlunge noma siyikhiphe kulo. But izinto, morals and ethics, remember they are rational, okusho ukuthi they are relative, okusho ukuthi it depends ukuthi ukhuluma nga omunye umuntu uma kathi ufuna they love sex. To some people that's a good thing. They want that.
Yeah, true.
Yabo. So some people, no, you can't be having imoya and you love sex too much, you won't focus. But that's when you come to terms. I remember I have a friend of mine, he's in Durban. This guy, whenever things are slowing down in his life, he knows what to do. He needs to have sex. Things will open. But that does not mean...
Akathathanga lento. Because vele sizocabanga yona.
No, not really. I know him. No, it doesn't. But ikhona imimoya enjalo.
Ukuthi you must Fabing, yeah, then izokusebenza.
And nakhona
Ngicela ukuyibiza lemo izingilandela.
no, but remember spirituality, there's a natural part and there's a imitation.
Okay.
Lena esiyakhaya. So kuyenzeka ke nakhona uma sikufuna ukuconnectisa nemimoya, because remember I once spoke to any podcast ngithi mina sex is an altar. It's a place of exchange.
Yeah.
So we are exchanging energies and powers. So kuyenzeka ukuthi kube nemimoya evuswayo that needs sex, because there must be an exchange. Yabo ukuze leyo moya ikwazi ukuphakama isebenze. Sesisho ke manje imoya yobugedla. Yabo la kufika khona abantu mabezothatha lento sibacabe ngeincabo bese sithi go and sleep. Yabo ukuze le incabo iphakama.
Yeah.
Yabo, but it's not one size fits all, because umuntu angafikeke ke umuntu athi emkhunama ngicabe ngaleza incabo cha. We'll need to check first, because asifuni ukukunika into etakubulala kusasa nento engeke hambelane nawe. Yabo,
Mina ngahambelana nawe.
izwe life kangaka nje is because abantu bathi bafuna bangenza noma yini.
Inoma yini boza yayo.
Yeah. And that is dangerous, because mase ngithi mina nayiki noma yini kufuneka umntana wakho la. Okay, nayiki noma yini angeke uphinde uzale wena.
Yo.
Alright, nayiki noma yini kusuka namhlanje yabo, there's many things as
No, kwenzakalani. Kwenzakalani angisagezi.
No, I've never heard of such of that one.
Okay.
But zonke lezi zinto lezi zinemigomo. And not because ukuthi nje iqiniso abantu kufanele balazi angeke uyazi yonke imimoya. Futhi angeke ukwazi ukuba nazo zonke iphakamiso noma izithwalo. Yabo, kunabantu abazofika kuwo thola ukuthi none of the things onazo ziyasebenza. Is working for them.
And you have to be honest.
But ngizoba honest kanjani masubeka 100,000 phambi kwami. So that is why lento yokuphapha yokuthi umuntu ezinye izinto, there are things in life you're not gonna get by money. Money is not the buying commodity. Sometimes ezinye izinto you get by faithfulness and by sometimes even ngenhlonipho nje. Yabo, because kunomuntu ofika umbone ukuthi lo muntu ugabisa ukuthi unemali and manje ufuna ngemneke into ethile, but mangithi ngiyabuka lento ayifuna ehambelana naye. You know, I've given abantu igroup because ngangibona futhi ukuthi ayisebenzi, ngeke zibasebenzele. But look what I do, I gave them what works. And then ngase ngibanika le scoop, because for them it would not be enough. Uzoza hambe lo muntu ayofuna iscoop esi wrong ngoba uconvinced ukuthi manje my friend so and so umngani wami ubani nobani baneyigubha yasebenza nami mkhulu nginike. Uma unganginiki uyambona ukuthi uyahamba uyosifuna elsewhere. And lo dloti ahamba nabo mhlambe bosifune is not aligned naye. So uma umtshela ukuthi no awumenze kanje, so sekufuneka manje usebenzise wisdom ukuthi give him what works, even though ungasi scoop, then imnikeke le scoop ufake noma yini kuyo, because yena ufuna ukucabanga in his mind ukuthi le scoop esisebenza or else akusizo. So we need to find wisdom to control you guys now, because ni anifuna ukuzwa.
And asifuna ukuzwa. Yes, I was having a conversation the other day ukuthi abantu abaningi nabeza gini, you know, bazo consult already, they have a story in their head abafuna ukusizwa ukuthi ngifuna ukuzwa this ukuthi antu wami ubani ungihambelanga phambili uyangithakatha.
And that's what I always say, man. I'm a prophet. You don't come to me and tell me things. And those are the stories, because akekho umuntu ongafika umxoxele something oyelaphayo today and he does not have a solution. Even noma uthola ukuthi akanayo, but he will tell you something. So to know ukuthi lowo muntu he's in a position to help you, consult first so that layer problem ozanayo could be picked up from a consultation.
Yes.
Akwazi ukuyibona, otherwise vele how do you expect umuntu ukuthi alaphe into angayibonanga? Yabo?
Yeah.
But guys are so forward. Bafuna ukuchaza. They're calling you, they want to explain. What are you explaining? Into mawufika kumelaphi, say your name and surname, that's all.
Yeah, uthule uthi du.
Ngizohlola mkhulu. Kuyenzeka ke vele ke during a consultation not ukuthi impilo yakhe yovela yonke size sibone nokuthi umkhulu wakhe wayahamba ngebhayisikili cha, because that is not part. But what is important and what is pressing in the realms of the spirit, normal spiritually at that point in time kuzovela. Usungakubuza ke okunye eceleni uma ngabe mhlawumbe ushiswa ukuthi kunenkomo eyifayo ekhaya. Yabo? Then usungabuza mkhulu yazi kunenkomo lapha eyifayo zifa kanjani lezi nkomo, yabo? But lento yokuthi ufuna ukuchaza sonke story and ufuna ukuthi umelaphi abambe lento wena oyicabangayo ukuthi njengoba uhlushwa iboyfriend yakho. Sometimes idlozi lakho there's nothing to do alinendaba ne-boyfriend ukuthi is cheating.
Ayingeni indaba zakho zomjolo.
Yes, liza la lizokutshela wena ukuthi kufuneka siyogeza noma ufuneka uwenze umsebenzi uthile noma ukuze ukwazi wena ukuthola umsebenzi ufuneka uwenze so. So ngizokhuluma leyo nto leyo ngiyicede, yabo. Ungasithi kwena manje ne-boyfriend yami ayiveli. Hawu manje nemoto yami ukuthi iyafa. Yabo. This is don't do that, yabo.
But I believe yes what ne ukuthi abantu abazo consult isikhathi nesiningi the way ngibona ngakhona ukuthi ba focus more entweni zasemhlabeni instead of their spirituality and what they see and what not.
And a problem is spirituality for us is always a thing of a later thing. Akusiyo into ehamba phambili.
Yeah.
Thina sazi ukuthi ngizwe indlala manje ufune ngiyodla. I'm tired now, I must sleep. You're always listening to your feelings, but you've never listened to your spirit. Yeah. You've never listened to how do I feel today? Feel about 1, 2, 3. So it's always a question of you are not spiritually sensitive. And that is why noma sikutshela izinto that are spiritual, you don't think ukuthi they can have an impact empilweni yakho.
Yeah.
You know. I was telling him umunye umuntu ngamanzi amnyama ngithi mina the reason like again izinto zakungalungi ukuthi kunomuntu owaphendula idlozi ukuthi libheke yena yedwa. Mase ngiqeda ukukhuluma leyo nto leyo uthi lo muntu maye mkhulu wayi imoto zami ishayisa. Sengishilo mos ukuthi vele into zakho ngeke zilunge angeke uthola umsebenzi. Usho lo muntu you see he does not understand the implication
of amanzi amnyama
of what it is that we're talking about.
Yeah.
Ufuna yena ngimtshela ukuthi le moto zakho ziyashayisa because uTsepo next door noma lapha emsebenzini uyakuthakatha. Yamjabulisa ke le.
Yes.
Because that one
Yeah. Kade ngimbona vele lo Tsepo ukuthi umthakashana le.
But now what you should understand ukuthi kuyenzeka because of amanzi amnyama kuvuleleka ubuthakathe ekhaya.
Oh.
Because of amanzi amnyama kungakhona ukuganwa la ekhaya. Yabo uvele ube neanger wena every girlfriend oyitholayo uyayishaya noma kuba neproblem.
Oh, okay.
Bese athi lo muntu hayi mkhuluma wonke ama girlfriend ayangishiya. Yabo he doesn't understand ukuthi akushiya nje they could be seeing something from your character but it's more than that. It's because vele unelibulawo ngeSwati sisho njalo.
Libulawo.
Unelibulawo yes.
What is it?
Ilibulawo still amanzi amnyama okusho ukuthi kunento eyenzekile yakhandwa yaba lilumbu thizeni ukuthi ilwisane nento ethile like her.
Okay.
You know it brings us to time sensitive cases because kunama case othola ukuthi every 2 years kuzowenza something. Every 3 years yabo something is taking place. So what we are striving for even nakuma podcast into engihlale ngisho ukuthi abantu let us be spiritual. You are not physical. And the moment sibuyela back into spirituality, you would realize ukuthi idlozi lakho, ithonga lakho, uNkulunkulu, isithunywa sakho has always been talking. Because wonke umuntu unazo lezo zinto.
Okay.
Yes, even you can sense something uma uvuka ekseni ukuthi hayi man. Yazi ya girlfriend yami yona ngiyayithanda mara hey ngiyayisola man. Kunento enga. Yabo there's always an energy spiritual ekuphileni kwethu. And the more we ignore these things, the more it is difficult for us ukuthi si understand and ukuthi sisize impilo yethu.
Since umuntu wasemanzini ne, and then it means if when you die you're gonna go back to the water, or you're going to Jesus Christ, or where you going? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go?
Ngiyako bakithi.
Emanzini.
Angazi bakithi bahlala lapha, angeke ngikutshele ukuthi ngiyamanzini kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyako bakithi, but I wouldn't say ukuthi every. What I know is that every spirit is represented emanzini, but you can't say ukuthi ithonga lakho lonke lisemanzini. Maybe the gift part of it, because nakhona kulezi into zeyiphiwe, remember kunezinto eziyiphiwe emhlabeni, and that has nothing to do with your ancestral lineage.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
These are foreign spirits. But because of the knowledge abantu bakini ababanayo to control them and to summon them, they become part of you. But these things are not yours. It's like we know in South Africa we eat rice, but we don't grow rice. Rice doesn't grow in South Africa. So it's something that is 100% imported from elsewhere. So kunezinye ke zezinto yemimoya ekhona efike iphile kithi nasemadlozini wethu, kodwa uthola ukuthi we can't trace it from us. Yabo.
Akusiyona imoya kaSathane lena njalo.
Satani. No, not really. No.
No, ne?
No. You can't say Satani because emoya yonke, like any other spirits, inama advantages and disadvantages. Wow.
Okay.
And there's a way, there's an environment for it in which it lives. That's why kuneminye imoya umuntu maseyithathile noma ivusile, even their lifestyle, their ways of doing things, they change because they need to accommodate them.
Kuyenzeka ukuthi kube nenzunza yasekhaya.
Yes. Yes, ngaba khona. That is passed through from generation to generations. Like high. Yes.
So mayibambe omunye umntwana wala ekhaya kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi lo mntwana kuzoba a special kid from other kids?
Yes, I think imoya yonke it would always distinguish themselves. Ukuthi like we're saying, we are not spiritual. Umntwana ukhona ukumbona angakazi yena ukuthi unemoya, like owami ngiyamazi. Yabo, and it is an error uma ngabe mina ngizophila emhlabeni not preparing the platform for that child ukuthi uma ekhula akwazi na ku understand izinye izinto at an early age. Not ukuthi ngithi uyamthwasisa, that's the problem, because before yazi ukuthi lento yokuthwasisa isikhathi esiningi we are actually correcting errors ekufuneka ngabe zenziwe ekhaya. Ukodwa sesiyozenza leka gobela. Sesiyoforce leka gobela ukuthi sihlanganise lamadlozi. Sesiyowageza lamadlozi. Khona leka gobela because la ekhaya kunomfirifiri of which could have happened. Uthola ukuthi lo mntwana kube umsamo wakhe wala ekhaya right, and he was brought up moya yakhe igezekile naye igezekile. Le moya would have started talking immediately asala ekhaya. Wouldn't need a gobela.
Angisho esikhathini esiningi ne abogobela sibathanda ngento yokuthi abantu abaningi babathandayo ngento yokuthi ugobela uzokuletha guidance, ugobela uzokubona lokho abangakuboni, ugobela uzoba nikeza ama tip ukuthi do this, don't do that, and which is dangerous the way ngi-analyze ngakhona.
Yeah, but it's too much of a burden esiyinika ogobela. And that is why we have sesibafake kakhulu eindabeni zethu nezingabafuni. Kunezinto ekufuneka ngabe la kuzalwa kwembethe. Ugobela akudingeki lapha. Le nto le yenziwa ekhaya funeka identifywe early uma usabuka uphuma esibedlela baza abantu balekhaya sibamba imbuzi. Every surname inegobongo lakhona.
But how sizoyenza kanjani leyo nto leyo ukuthi fanele sazi ukuthi umntwana kabantu bani uzalwa wembethe, because we don't even have that kind of knowledge.
Manje so ukusho ukuthi into eseyilahleke kuphi kubazali bethu.
Yes.
And even us, because we sithandaza kakhulu. We think we have a prayer problem, yet we don't have a prayer problem. About the one, Christianity is powerful, and I have nothing against Christianity. But it has created a problem, number one, of ignorance, number two, of dependence, number two, of being complacent, of being ujabuliswe nje ukuthi ngiyathandaza ucabanga ukuthi yonke into is subject to prayer. Mangilambile manje, I'm not going to pray. I'm going to make food and eat.
Yeah.
So kunezinto that we have shifted into prayer and into uNkulunkulu, and we have forgotten ukuthi nangu umntwana uyakhula, lo mntwana simenzela usiko. When you read the book of Matthew, it says this is a genealogy of Jesus.
Yeah.
Ukusho ukuthi yayikuvezela ukuthi uqhamuka kuphi, what is obana David, obana Abraham, obana okhokho bakhe.
Yeah.
And when he came, he had to fulfill, he had to go through the customs and the laws of the Jews. According to the Jewish culture. But tina, when you want to see it as demonic, because what you know is that the young indeti is demonic. And yet I just told you now, not wonke into ethi idlozi, yes kukhona idlozi elibe elifika umuntu limgulise kuye, kodwa leyo nto ngoba liyamgulisa kufuneka kulashwe noma likhishwe. But likhona leli right esilifunayo elifuneka lisebenze kulomuntu elizoba yingilosi yalomuntu noma isidalwa esimmele.
Yeah.
But we don't have so much people investing too much knowledge and preaching too much information ngapha kweyamadlozi, such that we have this understanding, and yet we spend a lot of time despising our own. Ukuthi no mawukhuluma ngento eyidlozi ndoda hey uchaza ukuthi sengiyamemeza la stradini noma ngishaya isigubhu noma ngiyadansa, cha, which is none of that.
Hayi no, ngiyabuzwa mawuyibeka ngale ndlela ukuthi it's ihlukile kunandlela esicabanga ngayo, the reality and nangendlela esicabanga ngayo.
Too much.
Yeah.
It's just what we don't have enough. That's why we thank God for this podcast. But these podcasts are busy telling people who they must twala, of which there's nothing wrong. But I think what is more powerful is knowledge that grows you.
Yeah.
Than knowledge that will make you to be dependent on something. But manje mangutshela ukuthi landela ubudlozi bakho, I'm giving you isinkwa sangemihla ngemihla as sanganaphakade, because through following lento le ekhona kini, you would begin to understand what are the gifts, iziphi izipho, what are the abilities enginawo mina la ekhaya, because every lineage, every surname has into isabelo sayo esinikwe yona emhlabeni.
Yazi ne sisivala ne ngifuna ke station it la, you mention indaba yokuzala uwembethe.
Sure.
And then siyam identify umntwana ozolo mbethe, then ke simenzela lokho simenzela khona. Ake siyithome phasi ukuthi unakazolo ambethe uzala umbethe kanjani, simbona kanjani uzala umbethe.
I did a podcast on that. I think but it's fine. I will explain just briefly. Is 3 things zokuzalwa wembethe. Number 1, there's what we call cord birthing, okusho ukuthi uzala ugegezelwe umbilical cord.
Oh, okay.
Number 2, there's what we call amniotic sac, or amniotic sac is like usesakeni kusho ukuthi uphume nesaka elithile which is the common one. And then there's a third one, vernix. There unamafutha unemhlwehlwe okusho ukuthi you have amacapacapa amafuta akuwe. All these three means different things and ezenzeka ngendlela ezisuke kumbulo kwazo akufani yabo. Lena amacapacapa kusho ukuthi lo mntwana unezidalwa eziningi noma unemimoya eminingi eyahlukahlukene ehlele kuye yabo. And then lena iyasesakeni ingasho isiphiwo lo mntwana asuke anikezwe sona esithile, which has got nothing to do with spirituality sometimes. Mhlawumbe lo mntwana Julius Malema to be a prominent politician. Mhlawumbe uzoba Mutsipe be a business person, business individual yabo. Bese kuba khona nale ye God called bad thing. So but what matters the most ukuthi especially lena le amniotic le nesaka idinga ukuthi uyithathe that bag ihambe iye ekhaya ifike ke kuhlatshwe. Mabe kusetshenziswa imbuzi mabe imvu kusetshenziswa imvu la izofika ihlanganiswe nomhlehla khona ibikwe bese lo mntwana ekwazi ukuthi eshiselwe yona aphinda miselwe into leli gobongo noma egezwe ngayo okuyisilawu sokwembula noma isihambelana nesambulo phakathi yabo. Kodwa yonke lento engishoyo it used to be general knowledge during the days of our grandfathers. Ayayingadinga inyanga ukwenziwa leyo nto leyo, but manje nibiza futhi zona futhi yenziwa kuphi, yenziwe ekhaya, yenzelwa esigodlweni senyanga. That's why abantu bathwebuleka because uma ngithola leyo nto leyo ngayithatha uthothi nginenhliziyo embi ngayithatha ngayicozula ngayitshontsha ngibtshontshile umhlanhla balobo mntwana yabo. So that's why you careful about it. Uyenzele ekhaya iphahlwa futhi kuleli dlozi eli specific. Another problem esinayo ukuthi manje senithola abantwana noma kanjani, nithola abantwana ningabahlawuli, nithola abantwana nibabiza ngezibongo zenu abo baba, uthola ukuthi lo mntwana akusiwona wakho. As long as umntwana ongamenzelanga lutho awukwazi umbiza ngesibongo sakho yabo. If you do, you must know ukuthi kufuna ureverse ukwazi ucorrecta leyo, because yinye yezinto esifika zenza ukuthi uma sesiqondisa ubunhlanhla balo mntwana uthola ukuthi abusaqondi because lezi idalo seziyashayisana.
Angisho siwathole emjolweni asiwathole emshadweni, so that's the problem.
No, but kuyalungiseka. The problem is you just need to know how to do it and ungaqinisa ikhanda kuloko. I usually say ukuthi uma ungafuna abantwana or uma ungafuna ukushada, don't have kids because lo mntwana umlethe kuhluphekeni uma ngabe uzomthola nje bese abe ichwanele nyoka wabe uthi ibonele unina akakukhulisa. But there's hope for them nabo uma ukhule komalume. There's nothing wrong uma ukhule ngesibongo somalume, stay. Actually those people are more blessed than even abanye most abakhulele emshadweni othola ukuthi bakhula komalume. But the mistake they make, they always want their fathers ukuthi angazi ukuthi what is special ukuthi ufuna ukubiza isibongo sakho baba. Isibongo sakho umama wakho is 100% yours. Uma ngabe ubaba wakhe engenzanga lutho, you can marry with that surname, you can do everything with that surname.
Kuna this notion ukuthi I want to know my identity.
That is a false one because Leia spiritually does not recognize you. Ikhona yona, but uma seyiza inama shortcomings because that's another thing. Idlozi noma izidalwa ayihlali kumuntu uma esiphuma esibelethweni, ziqala ukuhlala kumuntu asalihlwili.
Oh
yes, when you still a fetus in your mother's womb, that's when the meeting is decided.
So nabayenza ama-abortion kusho ukuthi bakhiphana nemimoya.
It's terrible because leyo nto leyo uma ngabe lo mntwana unesiphiwo, uma ngabe lo mntwana ubenemoya ethile ahamba nayo, that's why i-abortion ayigezi nje ngokuthi uhambe emanzini uyogeza. Ifuna ihamba nokushweleza phakathi because ubulale ngenhloso yabo. And also the worth noma isisindo salowo mntwana ukuthi ubebaluleke kangakanani Remember we talked earlier ukuthi umuntu mayeza usuke ephethe izinto ezithile aphathiswe zona yabo doesn't matter ukuthi umthole kanjani but lezi idalwa isuke seyihlalile zaba nale meeting ukuthi lo mntwana akabe khona lo yimi engizomgada so most of the time uqhokelwa isidalo sakhe bomama uma ngabe bakubo baba bangenzanga lutho noma if it's out of wedlock from birth from early asaphiwe eswini so uma esezalwa ukuthi wena umnika iphalishi uyamkhulisa umenzani doesn't change the status quo yokuthi ubelonga kibomama.
Sure. Yes.
And now that's when you find people fighting. No, mina ngikhulisa ngibaba mina. I want to use this name. Ukukhulisile ngokunika ipapa but there's spiritual pillars.
Kuzakumama.
Yes.
Hayi no ngikuzwile siphile lesikhathi yakwanje ngicabanga ukuthi siyivala.
Yes. Sikhuluma kakhulu but though we're everywhere but I don't think ukuthi there's umuntu elalela episode le Corners Oktober la sithe sakhuluma khona kwalumela nisifakele isandla emanzini siyaxolisa kakhulu Prophet Mavuso siyatholakala in the Val Vanderbilt Park south of Joburg 0768466131 that's a WhatsApp number. Siphinde sitholakala eMpumalanga Morgan Zone close to Emelo. Phinde ngitholakala eCape Town which is Claremont but kulezo indawo ngitholakala on specific days most of the time ngise Vanderbilt Park. Like I said mina ngixoxelwa story mawufonela mina ayikho futhi angikwazi kwelapha mina into engayazi so futhi anginayo price list lapha esigodlweni it's not a tech shop siyahlola kucala nami ngazi ukuthi uphethwe yini but the minute you say prophet nginenkinga ngihlole I will know and then I will have a guidance so yindlela sisebenza ngayo siyathokoza kakhulu kahle lami isikhathi sakho sinike sona
yes
till next time thank you
yeah I believe akusiwogcina ngithi
yes no
mina nawe sohlangana kodwa lihleleni elizako sharp